Hi there, this is Job du Jour, and today's job is here in New York City with a startup that's in stealth mode, and I'm bringing them to your attention because this is a team of entrepreneurs who've done it before. This is an excellent team. They've already had previous successful businesses. The business is called Say. They are right here in the city. They've got tremendous offices right here in Soho. Now, they're in stealth mode, and you will have the chance to set the technical direction for this company. So, to summarize, get in touch. They're in stealth mode. Apply before everyone else does. You will be building out a cool new product. You'll set the technical direction, and you will be working with a team who have had successful exits before. Thank you so much. Please check out Say at Untapped and apply when you're ready.